Eba na agwa government na-enye akwụsị ime ha mere ka imagine ebe agbafa nkịtị. Iwatagasị na ọkụkọ na ebe akwa abụrụ ka egbo rapụ nwe ya ka kama na ọkụwa n'olu ya. I want them to be enjoying our Commonwealth uncomfortable. I don't want them to be sleeping. People are out of school. People are helpless. People are hopeless. People are depressed. Federal government, every state governor and Igbo had the allocation. I we found about IGR. Internally, it generated revenue. States or Kachanambra, they generate billions of naira every month. Yet, people are suffering. No electricity, no road, no soccer school, no badminton school, no table tennis school, no dancing school, no gymnastics, nothing. And we're over 50 games in the Olympic. How many are we even practicing? And we're judo, and we're rugby, and we're golf, and we're swimming. If government is the reasonable because he put in place in more than 2 years. Even Australia, North Korea, South Korea, New Zealand don't has the 3 months old in a jam swimming. Hale be that we wouldn't now when you're 15 years or what 16 years old Olympic put a gold. And one soccer school over there, Boston school and what the basketball school and what Obama Rosa, a Rosa 8 years, a Potam Malutina or Robacosa. Oh, yeah, Potam Malutina, Robosa, a Potacosa. So among how people see it, but on Obama marry too much. That is why now they blunt when talking to them. And they know I'm telling them the truth, but I had the unrepentant.